Hi, today I am going to show you how to make this beautiful, large, tall altar arrangement for any occasion. It can go from engagement, anniversary, wedding, funeral, however you want, you can use this beauty. This is the side of the arrangement, and the back is also finished with some greenery and some hydrangea roses, however you want. Okay, now we are going to start to make that beautiful arrangement that you saw. We start with primary and some kind of greenery. My primaries are snapdragon, which they are beautiful and always useful, and also some other flower like calla lily that you saw in the picture. These are also very beautiful to use. We have a stock. A stock is very nice and beautiful. This flower can go on any stage and by podium, anywhere that you need large, big, eye-catching arrangement. So you put your primary. Primary will create structures of your design, and they are very important for you to show that first and use that first. This way you create your design, shape of your design and size of your design. These are palm that I am using, so shape of our flowers are crescent, and this is face, so you are working in this area. A stock is next. I love to use a stock. They are very good, dense flower, as well as smell good, so they give better look and shape to your design. You can fill up as much as you want and as much as budget allow you. We have some hydrangea. Hydrangea is very nice and easy to use for any design. For funeral, for wedding, for altar arrangement, for a stage arrangement, they are always useful. So shake them a little bit that they can open up. Hydrangea will open up very nice and easy. And start from in center of your design. You see they are very nice and fresh. They are not opened yet, and they will open and give better look to your arrangement. I love to use hydrangea. Some people, they are afraid to use hydrangea. They think maybe need more water. Yes, they are, but you can have them dense and put together. You don't need to afraid of that problem. Calla lily is my next. If you give heat of your body to calla lily, they go any shape you want. You can curve them. I want to use them in this area, so that's a very good shape we can create with them. Make sure they are going in the water and make sure they don't break. Sometimes they break easy, but if you're careful, they stay any way that you want. You can put them crisscross to give some action to your design. Kale is one of my favorite flower. They are, especially this kind of kale, that they are curly and beautiful, and they have their own personality for your design. So I like to use my kale in very front. You see that they are giving very nice look to your design. Maybe two, because this arrangement is both side, two-sided, I should say. So maybe two kale will show nicer look. I do also have green mist. Green mists are very beautiful to use. Very fresh look to your arrangement. So I always make sure to use all area and beauty of kale. They are going to be as our secondary flower that complete and enhance our design. So secondary flowers are usually, or filler, they can make design nicer and more fuller. We are going to use some beautiful Colombian roses. When you get your roses, get the guard out. This guard will protect your roses from any damage. So clean a little bit. Make sure it's open. Sometimes you can twist it in your hand like this to open it, and they open naturally and beautiful. Sometimes you can go one by one. Make sure don't touch your roses too much because they get very bad bruises. Our roses goes everywhere, mostly in between hydrangeas. Make sure all your roses shows, but very dense and together. It's very important that roses are together. They show their beauty more. So most of these roses, they can go around the front of container. I'm gonna turn it around for you to see because we need to cover mechanic in every design that we do. It's very important for you to cover mechanic. I don't like when I see some arrangement done very well, but foam or edge of container is showing. We have to make sure to cover all mechanic. If you're showing edge of your foam or container, it's really not professional. So as many roses or anything else, any other kind of flower that you want to use to make sure cover. Cover mechanic is very important. Few more roses. And I do have bear grass or lily grass. You can have that from anywhere in your garden. You can use, or any kind of grass that hangs out. It's usable. I love also this beautiful filler. Nice contrast, nice, very good color contrast. to cover mechanic. It's very beautiful at the end. It shows very nice completion of your design. I can see maybe one more in the line here. This is the shape is very nice to use. So flowers, they have their own nice shape. They give nicer look to your arrangement. Even more you want, I can add. To give better look, fuller and more dense. My bear grass is waiting. So again, just like calla lily, give a little heat of your body, make them nice and flexible, natural looking. I am going to put this along my calla lily. If they bend naturally, they are nicer. So it's give nicer look. I want maybe one of this beautiful green mist here. Okay, maybe here. So front is good, covered. We are going to put this in nice big container. It's not going in plastic container. And I will show you that. Okay, it's almost done. Back will be covered with some greenery and some maybe more hydrangea to cover back. And you can add more roses, of course. I will add few more roses in the back. Okay, I have this big tall container. It's very heavy. It's done. Here is our finished product. If you want to learn more, sign up for in-person classes at minadesignschool.com.